Hello my creative friends, Olga Soby here and welcome to another acrylic pouring video. Today is gonna be fun. Traveling funnel technique done on a split color base on a diptych, so on two canvases at the same time. And I love diptychs and triptychs done by Molly from Molly's Artistry. And today I'm very excited to give it a go myself with the funnel technique and my little swipes and wisps and other fun elements. So let's see how that's gonna work. For my base, I'm gonna be using the same colors as I used in my previous video. I really liked this color combo, so let's use it in a larger scale. And after you finish watching this video, please let me know. How did you like the outcome? I would be happy to hear from you and chat with you in the comments. So yeah, now let's get started and let's pour some paint. So today I'm working on two 12 by 24 canvases. Of course, they wouldn't fit in my pouring container, so I'm gonna be pouring right on my table on my silicone mat. And in case you want to check out those silicone mats as well as some other reusable craft and art products, I'm gonna include the link in the description. By the way, I have a new discount code for you. So yeah, all that in the description under this video. So for my colors in the funnel, I have a nice and bright funnel here. I'm gonna have some white, some crimson red, silver, which I rarely use in my pours. Just because for me it's a really tricky color to work with. Some copper and some light blue permanents to create some contrast and accents in this pour. Okay, and for the negative space, again I want to go for the light portrait pink, which is super soft, delicate color, and some black. All right. Let's start with the negative space. I'm not gonna add any silicone oil to any of my colors today. So this would be a black portion here. And this part, let's make it on the bottom. You guys know I like to put secret messages in my pieces, so for this one, since I have two canvases, I'm gonna do two messages: joy and creativity. That's what I live by. The base is done, so I want to add some white here. Wow, these two colors are so good together. Just luxurious combo for me. Now let's add colors to the funnel and travel this funnel. So I'm going to travel it in sort of this type of movement. So I'm going to start here before adding colors to the funnel. I always like to think through the order. Okay, I think this should be good. All right, I think this should be enough paint Can always add more if I'm gonna feel like it. So let's travel it. Oh yeah, definitely, most definitely need a lot more paint. All right, let's do 2 more rounds. Getting a lot of cells already, and there is no silicone in my paint, just like I said. All these cells are happening because of the different density of my colors, and as they all go through the stem of the funnel, they overmix, interact with each other, and that's what we're getting. This is what I really like about the funnel technique. All these effortless cells, with or without silicone. When I'm working with silicone, the cells are just a lot more dramatic. They grow bigger, and the overall appearance of the cells is just a lot busier. But for this piece, I don't want it to be too busy. Alright, this is awesome. I already like how those colors look together. Just pop in some air bubbles. Now I want to tilt this just a little to help the cells open and also to level out the paint. I can already see how these copper cells are shining. This is gonna be gorgeous when it's gonna be dry. So now let's have some fun with the design. And my favorite tool, my painting knife. By the way, I'm also gonna include the link to the set that I'm using in the description. So let's do this. Oh, the crimson red looks fabulous over the black. I really like it. Alright, this already looks just fabulous. I'm gonna stop with swiping just for now. And now I'm gonna play with a straw. Oh, I really like where I have blown black over my red and copper. I got beautiful lacing. Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna do this maybe a few more times here and there. Alright, I'm in the middle of turning my canvas to show you more of the details, and you know what the heck, I even like this flow. This composition also works, so yeah, perfect. Universal piece. Okay, you guys let me know, what do you like better? The way you see it right now, or the way that I initially planned it? Oh, actually, no, wrong way. It should be the other way around. Even this way kind of works. It's sort of like a triangle shape. Oh my gosh, I love that. I am so much in love with this piece. So let me know if you liked it with black on the bottom or this way. So there are so many gorgeous details here. I feel like I can look at this piece for hours and hours in all the wisps and cells and details, and I am officially in love with the outcome of this funnel, of this traveling funnel pour. I like that this piece is a lot more, there's a lot more negative space here. I like this white. It kind of makes this whole pinkish area a lot more interesting, and this side is definitely a lot more energetic. There are some of these areas remind me of flame, especially with this bright rich crimson red. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I think I didn't. So my paint is mixed with Floetrol and water, and if you also want to achieve a lot of cells without any silicone, Floetrol definitely helps. It's a great pouring medium to work with. It's not a pouring medium, but it's a great substitute to pouring medium. If you like cells, if you like this lacing. Also, funnel technique, like I said at the beginning, it really helps because the colors overmix and interact with each other as I travel my funnel and paint goes through the stem. So I get a lot of density cells. But to get this effect, you need to make sure that your paint is quite fluid. It does not work as well with a thicker paint. So yeah, make sure the paint is fluid. And yeah, I love these copper cells here and there. Honestly, I can't wait to see how this piece dries. And I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna cover it with resin. It's just gorgeous. Oh, I got a little hair here. Go away. Yeah, I will definitely share the picture of the dry result with the resin with you guys when I finish it. And I'm just talking a lot today because I'm so happy and excited about this piece. Usually I don't talk as much at the end of my videos. But I would love to hear from you. How do you like this composition? If you would like to see more of these types of pours, I would love to chat with you in the comments down below. And as always, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video, and happy pouring! Take care, you guys, and have an awesome weekend. Bye-bye.